L'Oréal has made ambitious sustainable development commitments. In particular, by 2020, 100% of our products will provide social or environmental benefits. But how? Notably through the use of a growing number of renewable raw materials of plant origin and by developing more environmentally friendly processes for the manufacture of these raw materials. To achieve this, L'Oréal's researchers first of all evaluate the origin of the raw materials. They do so using an origin index ranging from 1 to 5. For example, the maximum score of 5 is given to raw materials of plant origin which are not processed and which come from sustainably managed farming systems, that is, systems that use only limited quantities of fertilizer and plant protection products. A score of 3 is attributed to mineral raw materials which are not renewable. Finally, a score of 2 is given to raw materials obtained via chemical synthesis and which, like petroleum, are not in unlimited supply. L'Oréal's researchers then look at the extraction or transformation process used to manufacture the raw material. For example, in the specific case of a raw material of plant origin, they will evaluate the degree of proximity between this raw material and the compounds that are naturally present in the plant from which it is derived. This is done using a denaturation index that also ranges from 1 to 5. The maximum score of 5 is assigned to solvent-free extraction processes that do not alter the composition of the compounds in the plant. These include grinding, pressing, and drying. Conversely, a score of only 1 or 2 will be obtained if the reagents used have a significant impact on the environment or if they are of petrochemical origin. These two indexes are combined using a weighting formula to give what is referred to as the Naturalness index. This also ranges from 1 to 5. This index allows us, for example, to distinguish between natural raw materials and raw materials of natural origin. Raw materials with a Naturalness index of 4 or above are qualified as natural. Raw materials with a low environmental impact that obtain a Naturalness index of 3.8 or above, but less than 4, can only be qualified as of natural origin. For a renewable raw material to be considered of plant origin, 50% of its total carbon content must be of plant origin. This can be verified via a simple and accurate assay of the carbon-14 content of the raw material. This selection and classification process provides the fundamental basis for the naturalness claims of our formulae.